Hello you guys, how are you doing? I hope you're ready to eat. Today we're going to be making some fish, some fried fish. But first off, I'm going to start off by getting my aromatherapy ready. I always have to have it when I'm cooking. So that's what I'm doing first. And it's frankincense that's already in there as usual. My frankincense powder. I got some peppermint and a happiness blend that has like jasmine, of course, lemon, tangerine, a few other citrus flavors. And the name of the fish that we're going to be having today is Swai. Okay, there it is. It's Swai boneless and skinless fillets. 70 calories. Now it says there's 16 servings in that bag, but it's only about 8 to 9 fish in there. So I'm guessing the serving will be half of that fish. Here I got some Cajun breading. And I'm going to be mixing that with some all-purpose unbleached flour. So the only thing you need to do is combine half and half, like equal parts, I would say, or I would say 60-40 flour with 60. But make sure there's enough of that seasoning. You still want it to kind of like shine. You see how it's kind of like not, the color is not drowned out. If that color was like too white, too pale, then I would put more in there. So now we're just adding seasonings to that. Smoked paprika, cumin, salt, just a little salt. And the Cajun is actually spicy and it has salt in it already, so I didn't want to overdo it on salt because I still have to do the fish as well. But I don't like the taste of bland batter. Some chili seasoning. And I love taco seasoning, so that's kind of like, well, I'm always using like the different spices that traditionally go into tacos. It doesn't taste anything like tacos, it just tastes well seasoned. Now I'm gonna take some fresh parsley, fresh cilantro, and I'm gonna break it down into small pieces and put it over the fish. And I did this first, so if it fries up, or that was actually able to sit on there first. This time I didn't, but usually I like to go ahead and coat it with the seasoning and then put it in the refrigerator for like a half an hour, but I didn't do it today. So now it's just time for us to season this up. And we're going to season it with everything that we added to the flour Cajun mix seasonings. So we're going to do a couple more. So here's the chili. Put that all over there. No salt in it, so you can't overdo it. We got garlic powder. A little salt. Now put paprika, cheap paprika, and smoked paprika on there, because they do taste different. And right now I'm opening up some oregano. So sprinkle a little oregano on there. Lemon juice. Just rubbing it on in. Just gently massage that in there. Now you're going to flip those over and repeat. Put everything you put on the other side on this side. Once again, we got the chili, the garlic, oregano, cumin I put, smoked paprika, regular paprika, and a little salt. And that was a garlic powder. I love me some cumin. Cumin is probably one of my top 5 favorite seasonings. Now we're about to get ready to fry. You want to make sure that your pan is completely dry. I know it looks like it's been electrocuted with forks and all kinds of metals. Just make sure it's completely dry, and then you can go ahead and add in your whatever oil you want to use. I haven't fried fish in a long time, but usually I would like to cook with oils such as grapeseed or something like that, sunflower or safflower oil. But today I had to do canola oil because that's what I had. Now I'm just battering the fish. I checked that oil, it's not ready yet, so we gotta let it cook and heat up to the proper temperature for a couple more minutes. I'll probably did and stop it. When it's ready, just add your fish. To me, when you add the flour to the bread mixture, it just helps it adhere a little bit better to the fish. When I was younger, I used to like the crummy texture, but as I age, I don't like it, that crummy feeling. I don't even like fried fish as much as I did. Really, I'm really into the baked fish now. But this wasn't for me, so. Yes, look at that. It's getting there. It's cooking. It's cooking. And I actually like to leave the noise inside the videos. I feel like, I don't know, I kind of want to hear what's going on. Maybe that's me and me being nosy, but I kind of like to hear the cooking noises. But I sped this video up, so I probably won't be able to show you guys and let you guys hear the noise. It'd probably be in a robotic voice or robotic audio or something. So I'm just gonna lay out some paper towel in a pan, and I'm gonna prepare for when the fish gets ready. So I just set out some bread in the bottom of the pan. And the bread just really absorbs the oil. And we eat that bread too, like the bread is good by itself. Dirty, but it is. Oh, you need a light. I did like everything. You need a light because it put the light right on what you're doing. Like if I'm taking pictures of my face, yeah, it goes straight to my face. That was the only piece of flyaway cilantro that I've never seen. And I'm just letting it cook, letting it brown on both sides. And the first couple of times that I turned them over, I did not poke holes in it. But this time I'm going to go ahead and poke holes in it. This fish was actually way bigger than what I initially thought that it was, and especially with the flour added, so it kind of like bulked it up a little bit. But once you eat it, the fish was actually like all through it. It was very meaty. Once I tore it open and looked at it, it was very meaty. As you can see right there at the top of that centerpiece, that's meat right there. So it wasn't as much batter as it probably looks like. Or maybe it doesn't look like it's a lot of batter to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. This is the end. It smelled wonderful. It looks great. Please like, comment, rate, subscribe. Go over to my podcast and check it out. I Am In Podcast. Thanks for watching.